what's up guys, I'm J Marie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about this beautiful hair that I'm wearing. These passion twists are beautiful. I received this hair from Leonyeri. They are Amazon hair seller, and I will have their information linked down in the description box down below. That way you can check them out as well. At your purchase, you will receive 7 packs of the passion twist, and each pack you get about 11 twists in all. And they also will send over a crochet hook as well if you need that. I am loving this color. This is T27. Now my braid pattern, I do have multiple videos on my braid pattern, and this braid pattern is very similar to the one that I did with the 1B shade. I prefer to look more bobbish, so that's why I skipped that first braid. That way the hair just flows nicely and give you more of that bob look, or you know, everything is more even. I had no frizz whatsoever when placing these in, and that's one thing I love about their hair. It is very nice and they hold up really well. So I just pretty much did your traditional crochets in the back, and then when I moved up to the front with my boxes, just be careful around your hairline because the area is very sensitive. I always make sure I take my time and I do not pull more than just the loop through my parting. I like to use crochets as anchors, and that also helps to anchor down and keep that braid down flat. I did use all 7 packs, and I'm a person who does not like to overload my hair with a lot of hair, but by this hair being so lightweight, it is extremely lightweight. I mean, I really can't even feel this hair on my head. That's why I love their hair. It just feels so natural. Did create larger blocks because I feel like larger blocks give you that better illusion effect, and sometimes you do run across in some areas where you do have some gapping. I just go back in and fill out that space. I am loving this style. Perfect for spring, by the way. This color, the color is it for me. This color is beautiful. I hope I was able to give you guys some good, helpful tips. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. And also turn on your post notification bell as well. That way you don't never miss out on any more of my videos. And thank you to all my beautiful people who are subscribed. We are on our way to 10K. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.